All right, you've seen the rules, you've seen the examples. I think you've got this. So it's time to put that knowledge to the test and really make it stick. Ready for a quick quiz? Let's do it. Okay, first one. The sentence ends with ke, which clues us in that it's a question. Marka is my phone. Let's say there are a few phones on the table and you're asking someone to identify yours. Which word fits in the blank? And the answer is どれ?どれが私の携帯ですか? Which one is my phone? Because you're asking to identify one item from a group, you've got to use どれ. Nicely done.
Let's try another. This sentence means, is expensive, isn't it? Now, for this one, imagine the thing you're talking about is far away from both you and the person you're with, like a car across the street. What goes in the blank?
It has to be あれ?あれは高いですね. You're both looking at something in the distance and making a comment. Since it's far from both of you, あれ is the only word that works. See? It's all about that proximity. Okay, time to switch it up. A full translation. There's a cup full of pens on the table in front of you. You need to ask your friend, which one is your pen? How would you say that in Japanese? Take a sec. And the correct translation is, どれがあなたのペンですか? You're using dore because you're asking which one from a group of pens. Simple, direct, perfect. All right, one last challenge. This time it's a statement, not a question. And the computer is right there next to you, the speaker. How do you say, this is my computer? Of course it is. これは私のコンピューターです. The computer is right there in your personal space, so it has to be これ. You nailed it. And just like that, you've totally cracked the code. You've taken a concept that can seem really confusing at first and turned it into a simple, logical tool you can use every day. You now know how to point, identify, and ask about anything around you with confidence. So I guess the only question left is, now that you know where things are, what are you going to ask for next? Thanks for joining me.